Managing mine noise impacts can be a complex task, and surveys of stakeholders in the New South Wales Hunter Valley suggest that noise management is one of the top 3 environmental management challenges in the mining sector. While technology is often cited as the solution to these productivity challenges, care needs to be taken to ensure that these innovations contribute in the right way. This presentation aims to highlight the key differences between traditional compliance monitoring and real-time noise management, and then demonstrate the ways in which Sentinex's technologies and intelligent data analysis combine to offer systems for integrated noise management. To begin with, I'll introduce a 24-hour assessment window. This assessment window is typically used in noise management as it helps environmental and production staff understand what has happened in the past 24 hours. As I will demonstrate, it may also be used to look forward and to plan for what might happen between now and the next production meeting. If we look at the information that has historically been available from operator-attended monitoring practices, we see that while the information is generally of very high quality, it is constrained by irregular and patchy coverage. This requires us to make significant assumptions about whether these results are representative of the average conditions in the longer term. Early developments in continuous noise monitoring sought to address some of these constraints by enabling a continuous feedback on environmental noise levels. While significantly improving the frequency of observations, the utility of these early systems was also challenged by difficulties in establishing context and understanding the contribution that mining activities might be making to total noise levels. Initial efforts to provide context by the Sentinex system included local meteorological monitoring and continuous digital audio recording. This capability was closely followed by the integration of data from site-based 10-metre meteorological monitoring stations, improving assessment of factors such as prevailing winds and temperature inversions. As data was accumulated and Sentinex monitoring and data management systems matured, opportunities arose that allowed us to understand and document the characteristics of local noise environments in greater detail than ever before. Through use of intelligent data analytics, custom measurement descriptors were developed that enable sites to refine their monitoring protocols by excluding noise from extraneous sources. While these custom descriptors play an important role, the development of directional monitoring capabilities via the Quattro Sound monitoring array represent a significant step forward in helping stakeholders better discriminate between mining and non-mining noise. This can take place continuously and in real time. As monitoring feedbacks became better at identifying mining noise impacts, data from all measurement sensors, not just noise metrics, were progressively integrated into real-time alarming protocols. The utility of these notifications was further improved through enabling audio streaming, which allows audio from a remote monitoring location to be streamed to a mobile device in real time. While this feature enables rapid operational responses, every notification that is generated by Sentinex is issued with an electronic form, which logs the date, time, and trigger conditions that initiated the alarm. Significantly, this form also records the time at which the alarm was acknowledged, who it was acknowledged by, and allows a detailed description of the operational response to the alarm to be documented. This form can be accessed and completed on mobile devices, in the field, at the time of the event. This feature represents a significant step in the shift from advanced monitoring technologies to the development of a truly integrated monitoring and management system. The next big opportunity lies in the exchange of data between Sentinex and other large operational databases. Take a look around your office and consider what data you might already have lying around that will help you understand your noise impacts. Prime candidates include integration with SCADA, VIMS, MinView, or other operational and fleet management databases. This allows you to know where and when your equipment was working, which then makes it easy to identify relationships between site activities and noise levels in the environment. In addition to operational monitoring data, chances are that your site also has a noise model that is not being utilised to its full potential. While powerful computers enable more complex models to be developed with greater ease, your historical monitoring record provides an effective means of validating your model and understanding its accuracy. Where good correlation between predicted and measured noise levels is observed, your noise model may be used as a powerful and relatively low-cost tool for assessing the constraints and benefits of alternative mine plans and management options. While increasingly high-tech monitoring systems enable us to both understand how noise impacts manifest and evaluate the effectiveness of our management responses, migration from integrated monitoring to integrated management systems allows us to apply this knowledge in a predictive sense and better manage events that may occur in the future. Looking forward, meteorological forecasting allows us to understand what is likely to happen in the next 24 hours and adapt the level of management based on the perceived level of risk. Sentinex facilitates this process by integrating data from open source meteorological models to provide local forecasts for your site. For advanced operations, these integrated monitoring systems may be used to facilitate the progression to more proactive and dynamic risk management frameworks. Integration of data from operational monitoring, predictive modelling, and meteorological forecasting may allow you to evaluate and document the relative risks associated with various operational management options that you may have available. This assessment can be undertaken ahead of time, but predictive alarming can also be used to prompt operations staff to review and make decisions proactively, rather than in response to impacts as they manifest. While migration from a compliance to a real-time management framework may seem like a daunting and potentially expensive task, sites that undertake continuous noise monitoring will already have most of the physical infrastructure in place that is needed to make the transition. Integrated management systems simply require you to optimize your digital assets. That is, look at what data you or others within your organization might already be collecting and put it to use in a way that benefits your environmental management systems. If you want to master new monitoring technologies and make your data work for you, contact our integrated noise management team or subscribe to our blog to learn more.